In this video, I am going to show you how to redeem Visa gift card to fetch rewards. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss an important step. You can see I am in the official page of Fetch. You need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Tap your point balance in the top right corner of the screen to open the rewards page. Step number 2. Select the reward you will like, then your desired value and tap get my reward. If this is your first reward, only $10, $25 or $50 reward are available. After redeeming a reward, $3 and $5 option will unlock for future redemptions. Step number 3. Wait 72 hours for your reward to process. Step number 4. You will receive a notification when your reward is ready to use. Go to My Rewards to access your rewards. Step number 5. Follow vendor instructions to activate. You won't be able to use your reward until you complete this step. Now if you choose a physical card, you will be asked for the mailing address for the card can be sent to. Then card can be used in stores that accept Visa debit. Visa will charge you a $3 shipping and handling fees deducted from the card itself. Allow 7 to 14 business days for the card to be delivered. Digital Visa card. If you choose a digital card, you will be sent to the email address entered upon redemption. Digital Visa cards work for online or phone payments, but not in physical stores unless added to a digital wallet when possible. For most websites, the value of the purchase must be lower than that the digital Visa card to ensure the entire purchase is applied to the card. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.